Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to use Lovable AI. Firstly, visit the Lovable AI website, then click Sign Up to register. Log in to access your dashboard where all of your projects are managed. In the dashboard, click on the next input field. Enter a detailed project description or prompt. Then Lovable AI generates a base application with structure, design, and functionality. Now click the Settings icon on your project dashboard, then select Manage Knowledge. Add project requirements, feature ideas, and style guidelines, then update frequently to align development with evolving goals. Now, to undo and version history, go back if you made a mistake. Then click directly on the UI components to change text, layouts, styles, and behavior. Real-time editing makes it simple to test and refine your app visually. You can also attach images to prompts and upload directly within the app editor, perfect for logos, product mockups, or interface enhancements. Also, you can connect your Lovable app to GitHub repo, allows you to edit code using your IDE or sync changes seamlessly with your live Lovable app. Just follow the visual guide inside the Lovable to complete the integration. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.